How to use coupons on Shein app. First things first is make sure that you are currently running the latest version of the application. Once you have successfully launched the app, ensure that you have completely followed the login process. Now, coupon codes as of 2025 is already coded as a voucher code. So this is where you can keep track of all the codes that you have used and all the unused codes. If you would like to type in a specific code manually, then you will have to gain access it during on your checkout page. Say for example, we will be on our checkout page. All you have to do from here is just simply scroll down a bit and then hit on apply voucher. And this is where you will have to input the manual voucher code or coupon code that you would like to be used for this certain product. That's basically it. It's how you use coupon codes in Shein app.